Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance Big Update for Lufthansa. Lufthansa expands beyond North America. Lufthansa is actively diversifying its intercontinental network, reducing its reliance on North America, which has historically been its top revenue driver. The airline is targeting growth in Asia, Africa, and South America, with management eyeing these regions as key to long-term profitability amid shifting global travel patterns. New routes planned for 2025. Following a March 10 announcement from CEO Jens Ritter, Lufthansa intends to launch new routes in emerging markets. While specific destinations remain under wraps, speculation points to increased flights to cities in Southeast Asia, East Africa, and Latin America, capitalizing on rising demand in these regions. Strikes disrupt operations. A major nationwide strike by airport workers in Germany on March 10 grounded 3,400 flights, affecting 500,000 passengers. Lufthansa faced significant cancellations across its group airlines, offering free rebooking for affected travelers, highlighting ongoing labor tensions impacting its operations. Boeing delivery delays hit hard. Lufthansa's aging fleet is under strain due to delays in Boeing aircraft deliveries, with 240 jets still pending. CEO Carsten Spar has expressed hope that the Trump administration might intervene to expedite Boeing's production, a critical factor for the airline's 2025 fleet renewal plans. Optimistic 2025 profit forecast. Despite challenges, Lufthansa projects significantly higher profits in 2025, driven by robust global travel demand and anticipated lower fuel costs. This outlook boosted its stock after a tough 2024 marked by strikes and delivery setbacks. Emissions rise. Despite efficiency gains in 2024, Lufthansa's overall carbon emissions rose by 16%, even as passenger-related emissions per kilometer dropped 1%. The increase stems from non-flight sources like ground operations and fuel production, posing a challenge to its sustainability goals. Restructuring to save billions. Lufthansa Airlines, the group's flagship carrier, slipped into a €94 million operating loss in 2024. A restructuring program is underway, promising a €2.5 billion gross profit contribution by 2028, with 2025 pegged as a year of transition. Stock market rebound. After a difficult year, Lufthansa shares surged in early March 2025 following a better-than-expected financial report. Investors are buoyed by the airline's recovery in the second half of 2024, fueled by strong demand and cost efficiencies. Transatlantic travel fuels growth. North Atlantic routes remain the backbone of Lufthansa's long-haul network. Despite U.S.-Europe tensions over tariffs, leisure-driven demand in premium economy and business class is expected to propel growth into 2025. European consolidation pushed. Lufthansa Group is advocating for further airline consolidation in Europe, arguing that scale is essential to compete with Middle Eastern, Asian, and U.S. carriers. Its interest in a 25% stake in Spain's Air Europa reflects this strategy. Analyst downgrade sparks debate. Barclays downgraded Lufthansa to a sell rating on March 12, setting a price target of €6.50, citing high operational costs and market pressures. However, other analysts maintain a hold consensus with a €7.26 average target, signaling mixed sentiments. Climate progress under scrutiny. While Lufthansa touts more efficient aircraft as a win for passenger emissions, critics highlight its rising overall carbon footprint. The airline faces pressure to align its growth ambitions with stricter environmental regulations in 2025 and beyond. Labor talks loom. Large pay negotiations with airport workers and security staff are set to resume in late March, following disruptive strikes. With unions demanding significant wage hikes amid Germany's €160 billion municipal debt, Lufthansa braces for potential further disruptions. Strong leisure demand. Unlike the sluggish recovery in corporate travel, leisure demand is surging, even in premium cabins. This shift is a key driver of Lufthansa's confidence in its 2025 performance, despite geopolitical and economic uncertainties. Trump administration influence. Lufthansa's leadership is banking on U.S. support under the Trump administration to resolve Boeing's delivery woes and mitigate tariff impacts. CEO Spar sees transatlantic cooperation as vital, even as trade policies remain a wildcard. Analysis and context. Lufthansa stands at a pivotal juncture in March 2025. The airline's aggressive push into emerging markets signals a strategic pivot from its North American stronghold, a move driven by both opportunity and necessity as global travel dynamics evolve. The strikes, while a short-term headache, underscore deeper labor and cost challenges in Germany, a market some speculate Lufthansa might deprioritize if conditions worsen, though no official exit has been confirmed. The Boeing delays are a double-edged sword. They've hurt Lufthansa's bottom line, a €948 million earnings drop in 2024, but anticipated deliveries in 2025 could modernize its fleet just as demand peaks. The profit forecast hinges on this timing, alongside fuel cost trends, which remain volatile amid geopolitical flux. Environmentally, Lufthansa's mixed record, efficiency gains offset by rising emissions, mirrors the aviation industry's broader struggle. Its restructuring efforts and consolidation push suggest a pragmatic approach to survival in a competitive landscape, but success depends on execution amid labor unrest and regulatory scrutiny. The stock rebound reflects investor optimism, yet Barclays' downgrade cautions against overconfidence. Lufthansa's reliance on transatlantic travel, bolstered by leisure demand, offers stability, but U.S. policy shifts under Trump could either accelerate its recovery or complicate its plans. In sum, Lufthansa's huge news encapsulates a mix of resilience, ambition, and uncertainty. By diversifying routes, tackling inefficiencies, and navigating external pressures, the airline aims to cement its position in a rapidly changing world, all while keeping an eye on the skies and the bottom line. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.